Pie toys. Hello my little pies. So today I'm with Cutie Pie. And today we have the Make Unicorn Poopsie Slime Surprise. Are you excited? You want to open it? There's 10 magic surprises unrolled here. There's this cute little poop logo. Yeah. You want it? You want to open it? Okay. Ow. Wow. Ah, the lid came out. It's a cute little poop lid. You want it? Here you go. There's also like this little unicorn right here in the clouds. Wow, look! It's holographic. Uh-oh. It's holographic stuff. You want me to open it? This is the checklist. Wow, look at this. Okay.
Can I make it?
Here?
Can I make it?
Yeah, you have to make it. Turds of Paradise. Here it's Tootsie Bear with a little juice. Oh my god, there's coconut. Look at this little pineapple. There's also this little Slurpee. Disco doo-doos. Oh gosh. There's unicorn magic in here. Ultra rare, rare, and regular. Sparkle, metallic, and shimmer. Here, you want to open this, Cutie Pie? These are pretty hard to open. Ooh, we got a little measuring cup. Ooh, it's light pink. Okay, it says unroll here. So I'm gonna take off this little sticker. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's a very cute container right here. Ah! Unicorn food. Unicorn magic. Surprise scent. And magic spoon. Can I open this? Oh my gosh! Look at this bottle! Poopy all day. It's like a little champagne bottle. You want to see it, Cutie Pie? Here you go. And here we have our poopy. Oh my gosh! It's like this little Nutella with a strawberry and it's glitter. Lips. Now let's see who she is. Disco doo-doo. Oh, she's right here. Ruby Dips. She's a regular with the heart. I love the bottle though. It's like a little champagne bottle. You can open it. Wow, so you can put some slime in there. Isn't that so cool? It's a weird smell like plastic or something. Here, Cutie Pie. So we have our water to fill it here. And we're going to tear off our unicorn food. Okay? Our unicorn food. Do you want unicorn food? I don't think you're supposed to eat it though. So we're going to have to put one to the fill line. Ah, making a mess. Okay, now we have to pour in the unicorn food. I'm going to tear open the unicorn. It's like this white powder, kind of. Okay, now let's pour it in.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Let's pour it all in. Ah, it's making a mess. Now it's like in there. Look how weird that looks. Ew. Now I have to close it up and make sure it's sealed. Uh-oh. Just shake it up, yeah. Okay, I have to shake it for 1 minute. Okay, it's been about 1 minute of shaking it. It's all green, a little bit gooey. I like how the bottle's all glittery. Do you like it, Cutie Pie?
Uh-huh.
Okay, now to let it set for like about 10 minutes. Do you want to see what this magic spoon is? Let's open it. Let me see the magic spoon. Ooh, it's a little gold spoon. And isn't it so cute? It's a little cloud here too.
Gimme.
You want to see it, Cutie Pie? This is unicorn scent. is this? Oh, it's like this little unicorn bubble.
Unicorn bubble.
Yeah. It's like bubbles. I wonder what scent it is. And it smells like pineapple. Yeah, it's pineapple, huh, Cutie Pie? Smell it. It's delicious, huh? So there's hamburger, apple, bananas. There's also watermelon, chocolate, orange, cinnamon buns, milk, strawberry bubblegum, apple pie, cherry, blueberry muffin, coconut, cotton candy. I don't know what that is. Probably some juice. Vanilla ice cream, vanilla cake, coffee, vanilla, and what's that? Chicken sauce? It's probably steak sauce. No, looks like steak sauce. Oh, root beer. It's root beer. And some lemon, kind of orange, rose. Ooh, rose. There's also like this milkshake or something. There's pineapple. This is like an activator. Wait, how did it work? Ew, it's all gooey. Yeah, it says we have to add 5 drops. I forgot to add it, so I was like, oh, icky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, it's like all empty down here.
Wait now.
You see that? It's like doesn't want to go down. Cutie Pie, you farted? Ew, Cutie Pie!
I'm farting.
Yeah. Wanna mix it?
Ew.
Yeah. It's all sticky. Ew.
Give me.
You farted? You farted?
I'm farting.
I'm gonna like take it out already. It's all sticky. Ew, it's all sticky and slimy. Okay, you wanna have some? I don't think it's supposed to be this gooey. This is a big, messy mess. Look at that. Ooh. Do you think we should leave it like this, Cutie Pie? Yeah? Like this one?
No.
It's unicorn magic.
No.
I think it's glitter though. So, Cutie Pie, want to put the glitter? You want to put the glitter in? Here, go. You carry that for me. Here. While I open the glitter. Oh! Look at it. It smells. Oh my god. Oh, look at that glitter. Looks like the unicorn food, actually. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay. It smells, huh? Oh my god, it's so glittery. Does it smell?
Uh-huh.
Uh oh, it's all over. It's all over.
Give me.
I put more. You want to put some in?
Uh-huh.
Put some in. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, is it done? Okay. Let's mix it. You want some? You. Let me see if there's more glitter. Let's take all this glitter off. It doesn't look like it's gonna come off me. Ooh, it's all shimmery. Huh, Cutie Pie? You want to put it inside? You got to put it inside the poopy too. I want to smell it. The Cutie Pie said it smelled bad. It doesn't smell bad. It smells like plastic or something. Ew. Cutie Pie! Cutie Pie! Cutie Pie! Was that you, Cutie Pie? Yeah, so much.
Daddy, give me.
Yeah.
That's it.
Was that you, Cutie Pie?
No, my goodness.
Now I know why they're called poopies. You like it, Cutie Pie?
Yes.
Do you like LOL or poopsies? Poopies. Poopies. You like this better? Anyway, so bye, my little pies.
No.
Yes.